Please rise. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the 2024 graduates of Magallanes National Vocational High School, solemnly devote ourselves to the commitment of the noble ideals for which our school stands. We believe in the importance of work towards the economic development of the community and our people. We vow to work extensively to attain the goal of better quality of life and foster national interest among the Filipino people. We shall strive to lead, to achieve, and to involve ourselves in every possible way to make us self-reliant under the guidance of Almighty God. From here on, we shall move as one to support and to work for the realization of the vision of the new millennium.